In this tutorial, I will share simple VBA code to add total at bottom of any column automatically. Let's see how to do this quickly with one example. On this sheet, I have some numbers in column E. Now, numbers are only till row number 7. I want to add total on the next available cell, which is in row number 8. So, let's see what would be the simplest VBA code to do this task. Let me go to Developer tab where we have this insert option. From ActiveX control, I will select a command button and drag a command button here. Then we can double click on this command button so that we can write VBA code on the click event of this command button. So first line of VBA code I will write is for knowing the next available cell in the same column where we have numbers. So let me show you again. We have numbers in column E, which is the 5th column, and I want to find this blank cell with the help of VBA code. So what is the VBA code for that? Last row, we can give any name to this variable equal to worksheets, and sheet name where we have numbers is sheet 1, dot cells. Here we need to give row and column, but we don't know the row number, so I will write rows dot count. Column is 5, e column is represented by 5 dot, and in brackets xl up dot row. Once we press enter, formatting is done automatically. This code will give us the last filled row basis on the filled cells in column E. We can check this code. Message box, MSG box, last row. So before proceeding for next line, let's check only this code. I'll go to design mode, and now I will press this command button, and what we are getting is 7. So 7th is the last filled row basis on column E. Let me click on design mode so that I can again double click and add more VBA code. Let me delete this code. We don't need this. Next is dim a as integer. I will assign a equal to 0. Now one for loop I will use for a, or for I equal to last row 2, 2, and next. So what this for loop will do, it will run from last row, at present it is 7, to second, because we don't have number in row number 1. Now this code will run from bottom to top. So here I will add step by -1. Now a equal to, where we have already 0, a plus worksheets sheet 1 dot cells I 5 dot value. So when I equal to 7, we have passed I variable here, it will add value to a variable. When I will be decreased by 1, that means 6, and then 5, then 4, it will keep adding all the values to variable a, and once this looping gets finished, a will have the final total. Now what we can do is we can assign value stored in a to the next available cell in column E. So what is the code for that? Worksheets, sheet 1 dot cells, last row is 7 as of now, plus 1, column is same, which is 5, dot value equal to, then we will assign a. So whatever final value is a will be transferred to the next available cell in column E or column 5. Now we are done with this code. Let's see how it works. Let me minimize this VB editor. Let me click on this design mode so that we can click on command button and code will be executed. Once I click, we can see that 92 is added, which is the total of these many cells. Now let's say if we have more data, then so let's check it. If I put numbers in more cells, now I want total to be added here in this cell. I'll just click on this command button and we can see that total is added. Let me highlight this. Let me show you the code again. So this is very simple code, but we can use it for different VBA automation requirements with small modifications. I hope this is helpful for you. Let me know if you have any question around this topic. Write into comments and subscribe to my channel for more advanced VBA tutorials.